Hello, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make oxtail noodle soup. This is our recipe. First, oxtail. We use today about 5 kilogram of oxtail. The 2 whole garlic. Garlic, black pepper, and coriander root. This one mixture. Cinnamon stick, star anise, ginger, coriander root. Okay, light soy sauce, sweet dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, seasoning golden mountain sauce, and last is the pineapple skin. We use this one to mix with the oxtail, make the oxtail tender and soft. This is the trick how to make the meat soft. Just 5 minutes, not more than that.
And was it the juice from the pineapple?
No. You know the pineapple they've got, I don't know, the sour or the gum or something that is make this one soft. Is no chemical. This one natural.
Why you do just one hand?
One hand enough. While we waiting for 5 minutes, we start to fry all the ingredients first. Except this one, we put this one in the basket and soak when we boil the oxtail. Okay, we put a little cooking oil. Put the gas not too high, just medium heat. Okay. Yeah. Can I put the ginger, the garlic, cinnamon stick and star anise, and coriander root. And we fry with a low gas until you get a nice smell. Okay. Did you smell all the ingredients? But you can see the color going to change to brown, golden brown color. And then we wash this one, throw the pineapple skin and wash it. Okay. You put the oxtail. Yeah. Huh? No, that's the water we get from here. Five, we put light soy sauce. I have to get the measurement. Sure. Put 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce first, and then we add later. Okay, 2 tablespoons of seasoning golden mountain. Okay, you fry about 5 or 10 minutes and then you start to add the water. It takes about 1 or 1.5 hours. Okay, and then we put these 3 mixture to the basket. Okay, then we put in the pot and then hang with the handle, and that's it. Just wait until the water boil, and you can see if the froth come up, you just throw the froth. You can use the cloth, the what you call that one? Yeah, and wrap it. Yeah, and wrap it and soak in there. Okay, now we've been cooking already 1 hour, and the meat start to get tender now. We're going to put the taste another 2 sauce. Dark sweet soy sauce. I put 3 tablespoons of dark sweet soy sauce. Three tablespoons of oyster sauce. And then we leave it another half an hour. I think the meat should be more tender. And then you can taste it after it. If you like more sweet, more salty, you can add as you like. You like darker or you like this stay this color? If more dark, you can put dark soy sauce. Yeah, some people they like darker. Can put a little bit darker here. Okay, we can add the dark soy sauce because the creeper man like darker. Right, this one we've been cooking 1.5 hours. The meat already tender, ready to eat. This is how oxtail noodle soup look like. Now we're going to eat with the vermicelli. Okay, how much you want? Big, small, medium?
Oh, mixture, but I have the Thai noodle.
Okay, and put on top, yeah? And put the oxtail soup on top. Okay, and then top with the Chinese curry. Spring onion, a little bit of coriander. Okay, this is how oxtail noodle soup look like. Okay, and after cook this one, let it cool down. You can keep in the fridge up to 1 week.
Hi guys, so here we are. We're going to try this oxtail noodle soup, and this is lovely. I've had this so many times. It's just amazing. It's proper filling as well. So let's get stuck in. Just get stuck into the oxtail. Oh, so good, really, really good. I've also added some prig bone and the nam som, so the chili flakes, and the white vinegar with sweet chilies. Just goes really well with this. So I'm going to enjoy this, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. Take care now. Bye.